Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of a voiceover checking out this Integra Type S. And here we have it in white with the accessories included, such as these copper wheels, which, might I say, look amazing with this color. So we're going to take a look at the sticker here, and the dealer's asking for $64K with all the accessories and a $5K markup, which, you know, in my opinion, it's still a lot. But anyways, coming inside, we're checking it out. Quick little overview. This one's got the Alcantara steering wheel here, which feels great in the hands, and the old style Type S shift knob here. And just kind of looking around in the car in general, kind of taking a look at these red seats. They've got the Alcantara in the center here. And yeah, overall sitting in the passenger seat, the bolstering was really great. Not as great as a Type R, but a lot more snug than the Accord. And coming into the back seat, so I have the front seat kind of roughly where I would sit, and kind of sitting in the back here. Still got plenty of legroom, surprisingly, just about as much as the Accord that I have. And then headroom, it's alright, you know, I've got probably 2-3 inches above me like that. That's given with the slanted roofline, but overall not too bad with me at about 5'10" in terms of the headroom. But yeah, taking a look at the interior here, I really like this red and the light up door sills right there. Those are the accessories included, along with the other ones such as the carbon fiber mirror caps and the gloss black emblems, which if we're looking at the price here, it's charging a little too much if I'm being honest. But coming around to the back, we've got that signature triple tip exhaust, and yeah, it's got a nice presence to it. You know, the rear spoiler here in that carbon fiber finish is really nice. Taking a step back again, kind of looking at that white color with those copper wheels, it really does have a presence to it. You know, in the photos, I don't think the photos really does it justice. You really have to go check it out in person to really appreciate the design overall. And then let's take a look at that front here. It's really got that presence to it with the wide body and how it's just got that menacing stance. And now that we're done kind of taking a quick overview of the exterior, let's take a look at the inside. You can see here, same exact engine as the Type R, except in this car, the engine code is the K20C8 instead of the C1. Not exactly sure what the differences are mechanically with that, but you know, you've got that same great space in the front between the radiator and the turbo, so plenty of airflow. And yeah, I really like this red engine cover. I like it a lot more over the Type R one. But yeah, it looks pretty much identical under the hood with the same air duct and everything. We just took a look at that Type S and I want it. I don't need it, but I want it. The dealer had 5K markup on it, but I think that one was already spoken for. They have 7 more coming in for the rest of the year, and 4 of them are already reserved. But damn, if a blue one comes in, I just might do dumb things about it. Just might. It's still a bit of a hard sell for me just because it costs so much, and if I didn't have this Accord Touring, then I think I could justify getting it. But because I got this Touring for such a deal, it's hard for me to like let go of this car because of the value I have in this car. But yeah, that Type S, it's definitely got a great presence in person. Unfortunately, it's raining this week, so I couldn't go test drive it, but once the weather lets up, I'm gonna stop by again, take it for a test drive, and who knows, that test drive just might lock in the deal for me on getting the car. I really love the car, I love its presence, but for $53K MSRP, it's a tough pill to swallow. And I think if you can get the car for MSRP, it's worth it, but anything over with markup is a bit of a tougher sell. So, you know, those are my impressions on the new Type S. They're very short, but in summary, I think it's got something special about it that, you know, despite the fact that it's $53K MSRP, it's just got something special about it. But anyways, quick short video. Hit that like and subscribe button if you guys enjoyed that quick look of the Type S in person. Follow my Instagram at QMedia. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.